Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a SCOORNEST A9 wireless security camera and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. You might want to do this for two different reasons really. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera will not connect to your Wi-Fi, or it will not sync with your device, or it won't pair with the devices it's supposed to be pairing with, you can go ahead and do a reset, and this will fix a lot of these issues. Any kind of troubleshooting issues can be fixed very often with a hard reset. The other reason is if you want to install this camera in a new place and you just want to, or connect it to a new Wi-Fi, and you just want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do a hard reset on the whole thing and then get it going. So all we need to do is come in here and we're going to find this mode button here. And if we just press and hold this mode button for about 5 seconds. After about 5 seconds, you'll see the indicator light will start to flash red quickly, indicating that it is resetting. Once it will restart, and once that starts to kind of pulse slowly, the reset is complete.